to another reckless eating challenge. Matt Zine here, going to be doing something that is a little late than everybody else who already did it. Raina and a bunch of other competitive eating channels participated in this, and we're gonna go ahead and put the link down below in the description so that you can check out all those videos if you want. This is like a family bundle thing again. We just did that one at Burger King, what I did with Majestic Beard and Chris Reckless. I'm gonna put the link to that video down there as well. Check it out, it was fun. That was with Burger King, this one's with McDonald's, and it's 2 large fries and 40 nuggets. So 2 orders of the 20 nuggets for, I think it's like $16, maybe a little 17, close to that. But you can't get this one anymore because they rotate out the deals, and I got it on the very last day. So, but hey, it's cool. Their app is pretty interesting. All the fast food places getting apps is making the fast food thing very interesting. Just because you're getting all these deals right now. Everybody's, instead of coming out with like new rare stuff and new limited time things, they're just doing bundles. Bundles. All right, so I'm gonna change it up a little bit. It's a little bit of a punishment because I should have done this earlier and I didn't have time. But that's also just because there's no way in hell I'm gonna beat any of those people in their time. So I'm gonna make it more fun. Evie Black, good friend of the channel, sent us this hot sauce a while back. This is Savage Jerky Reaper Hot Sauce. Ingredients are tomatoes, Carolina Reaper peppers, habanero peppers, apple cider vinegar, honey, lime juice, garlic, onions, kosher salt, light brown sugar, and brown mustard. So we're gonna put a little of this, not a ton, but enough to where, it doesn't take much. We're gonna put a little on, kind of a little spread here. So not all of them will get it, but at least a couple. Kind of like that. We'll just do it like that. Okay. Also, the food has gotten very room temperature, fortunately. I had a conversation with my mom on the phone in between leaving, which, hey, I'll take conversation with mom over food being hot any day of the week. Here we go. It's so delicious now, it won't be delicious in like 5 minutes. Okay, no, that sauce is hot. It's like real hot, but it's a tingle. No, fries are so cold. No! Oh man, the fries are gonna get real old. Oh, it's so fucking dense. Oh god. It don't have to stop though. Like with the chicken nuggets. There's like a gap in time from each nugget. Fries are just going down quick. They're hurting my jaw. English! These fries suck. Oh, I'm like, no, not in terms of flavor, they're good. I'm doing them right now. This sucks. I think the fries are actually what are gonna beat me. I guess that sauce isn't that hot at all. It's really tasty though. Oh my god. I'm so full. In the comments down below, if you could get $1 for every chicken nugget you eat, how many do you think you could get to? Real number before you vomit. Oh, I just had 10, 12. I'm full. As a kid, we get McDonald's like once a week because it's one of my dad's favorite places. Oh, I always get the 2 9-piece chicken nuggets. What a fat kid. I don't know what the comments are gonna be. It's gonna be a middle-aged man casually eats McDonald's. That's what it's gonna be. Well, this is quite the challenge. It is so dense. There's way more food here than you think. Oh. Oh. Sorry. There's no way we're gonna finish this. Don't dare leave the comment saying, my mom asked me why I was watching porn, but I was watching you eat McDonald's, you stupid piece of shit. Oh. Oh man. This is brutal. There's 0 chance I can make it through those fries again. That was awful. The fries were me hitting a wall. Oh, the nuggets are at least still pretty decent. Oh. Oh. Oh, it was closed mouth singing. I invented that. It's mine now. Oh. Oh, that one was spicy as fuck. Here comes the Reaper. Competitive eating always starts fun, and by the end you fucking hate it every time. That's why I have mad respect to like Raina, Natter, all the competitive eaters out there, Matt Stoney. It's truly a talent. I know a lot of people always go like, you're wasting food. Whatever, all kinds of food gets wasted. I don't know why I made you sound that way. Okay, man. Alright, it's not even about time anymore. Now it's about trying to finish it, because... Here, another comment. Curious. What television show shaped your childhood growing up? One was The Simpsons. I quote that motherfucker, and sometimes I don't even know I'm quoting it. No, so I'll watch The Simpsons old episode and be like, oh, that's where I came from. Alright. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Alright. Second win, bitch. Is it okay to say the word bitch? I think I say it more like... I actually started saying it a lot because of fucking Breaking Bad. It was Breaking Bad's fault, but... Well, socially acceptable to say it. I'm curious. I'm not caught up on my, what we're allowed and not allowed to do anymore thing. We're going down... I'm more than halfway. Probably about 23 nuggets and 1 thing of fries. Oh, it doesn't sound like a lot. At least for me. But it's a lot. Oh, man. One of the only times that I did, it was the... What was it, the 16-16? No, it was 100-100. 100-100. I remember we did the 100-100 of Oreos. That's when we had to take down because YouTube sucks. That was misery. I wish you'd go back and watch it. It was a really fun video. It was really cool. It's too bad that YouTube didn't agree. Okay, whew. Look at that. Look at that. We can do it. Look at that. That's about it over, man. That's about it over. If I can get my 3rd win here. My stomach is like, fuck you. Oh, they probably destroyed it too. Everybody probably finished super strong. I'm the only one that didn't do anything. Alright. You know what? No. F that. Let's go right now. Here we go. This will be completely... we're probably going to edit this part, but don't worry about it, okay? Here we go.
Oh God, Freddy, what are you doing? Freddy! Oh, Freddy, your foot. Freddy, are you okay? What's happening? Oh, wait, tornado DDT! Tornado DDT! What the fuck? Freddy's foot is stuck in the ropes. Oh no. Wait a minute. What is happening? Oh, Majestic's not having it. Drop kick. What? Oh, Freddy. Oh no, what's going on? Oh, Freddy Irish wins.